kitten was playing alone in the house, and the kitten's mother was preparing breakfast.
Hey, is anyone home? Can I come in?
Ooh, he's my friend. Let's play together.
The kitten's mother went out shopping. And the children were playing alone at home. The kitten was playing with his friend. They were painting. The kitten noticed that his clothes were stained. He took the clothes to put them in the washing machine. Suddenly, the kitten slipped and fell into the washing machine. Oh my God! The kitten's friend came and closed the washing machine door on the kitten. Oh my God! He turned on the washing machine. The kitten was injured and bleeding. The kitten's friend called the kitten's mother and said that the kitten had gotten into the washing machine on its own. He lied. The kitten's friend ran away before the kitten's mother arrived. The kitten's mother arrived and immediately called an ambulance and took the kitten to the hospital. Fortunately, the kitten recovered. One day, the kitten saw its friend on the street and showed it to its mother. The mother immediately called the police. The police came and arrested him.